Hi, I'm Nick Gingrow at the UVM School of Business, and we're doing a Clean Energy Fund funded project about virtual desktop infrastructure, or VDI. So we have 3 different desktops here that I'm going to walk you through, and this is what we're doing with the project. So the first one I have right here is just a traditional desktop like you're used to in any other computer lab or what you might have at home or at your office. It uses the local hard drive to store data and the local processor to process all the data and run programs. It uses around 70 watts of power, and it needs to be upgraded every 3 to 4 years. So over here we have what's called a thin client. This uses around 10 to 15 watts of power, and as you can see, it's much smaller and has a lifespan of up to 8 years. And instead of using traditional hard drives and CPUs locally, it connects to a server that we have at our data center and streams the desktop over the network. So the user interface is very similar, but the power saving is huge. And here in the middle we have the third option. So as you can see, this looks the same as our regular desktop. The difference is, instead of, again, using the traditional hard drive and server, it's still connecting, the hard drive and processor, it's connecting to the server and streaming the network. But the advantage is we don't need to buy a new piece of hardware. We're repurposing old hardware and making it more efficient.
And how are students, have you gotten any feedback from students about it?
Yep, we've started asking students what their experience has been, and most of them have said that they don't really notice the difference, which is what we want, because that means we're using power more efficiently, we're able to manage the systems more efficiently, and the experience is relatively consistent.
Okay. And then I guess just now that second part of why this project is important, or where it's going.
So this project is really important because right now it's small, but as we expand the project and see the benefits of it, it has the potential to be used all across campus as well as for remote workers. Right now we have around 800 lab computers on campus that could potentially all be switched to virtualization. And if you look at that at a energy savings going from 70 watts a computer to around 10, that's going to add up really big over time.